child has a basic right to learn how to handle emotions. We work with children between the ages of 3 and 7 because that is when the brain is built. The training actually for Think Equal is very straightforward. We have a 5-hour online training where teachers log on, the ministry gives them their information, training, materials, and on their TLI they also have the Think Equal training. It's 15 20-minute modules, and essentially what the teachers are training in is how to teach the program, and then they train as they teach it.
This program will help teachers to understand themselves what social emotional learning is about. And once they get to understand, once they continue to walk in the values, in the character principles, in the knowledge of social emotional learning, then they will be prepared to teach it. Resources are important for teachers, lesson plans, the materials, the stories, the guides. That helps, and that allows the teacher to become more prepared because already they are walking in the values and the principles. They understand what is important about emotional intelligence, and then they have the tools that makes them ready to go.
The training is not only the training platform, is not only the workshops, but the comprehensive process of teaching in the classroom. Already a commitment from the Ministry of Education, the commitment from Think Equal, the commitment from UNICEF. We are giving them the entire tools so they can do it in the classroom. The next step is make sure that teachers do it in the classroom and they do it as they are supposed to do it. Of course, everyone has the opportunity to improve, and that's why we will keep accompanying the whole process.
What stood out to me is actually the name of the workshop itself, Think Equal, because I know there's a lot of students that we get in the classroom that many times they don't feel included or loved, and then learning more about it is very important because at this age they tend to learn things very quickly, and they also tend to remember it. So I think it's very important that they learn it at this specific age. It's a good start for them.
So it's our responsibility as us in the classroom to help our children be more equipped in a positive manner, with positive attitude and understanding their well-being. And us teachers, our part is to be consistent and applying it every day in the classroom. It's not just like I do it today and forgot to do it tomorrow and the other day. Being consistent, that is what will make a difference.
My expectations haven't just been met, they've been exceeded because it's taken so seriously from the ministry. That is what really matters, and UNICEF, what a gift. They've given the teachers the Think Equal program, which is the tools, the concrete, tangible books, lesson plans, resources. With that, what else do the teachers need? So we got to do this fast, we got to take this seriously and really commit and really do it.